Okay, this is just a brief introduction to setting up an essay in Word. If you do not have Word, you need to download it to your computer, and you can do this for free. Click Tools, and down here on the right margin it says Free Microsoft Office. You're going to need your Ozarka email address to do this, and the Ozarka email address is simply your username, the username that you use to log into my Ozarka, at mail.ozarka.edu. That is the same email that you would actually check right up here in this tool, whatever this is, this ribbon here. So go ahead and get the free Microsoft Office and use your Ozarka email to do that, because you will need to use Word for this class. Whenever we get ready to begin writing, you need to set up your paper properly. So you'll choose a blank document. For my class, I want you to use Times New Roman 12-point font. Okay? Your paper also needs to be double spaced. So go to this area that says paragraph and click the arrow. Come down here to spacing. You will have 0 before, 0 after. Go ahead and click Don't Add Space Between Paragraphs of the Same Style. And in line spacing, you will click double. Now, the default should be 1-inch margin, so there shouldn't be any reason to change the margins for your paper. It's up here if you want to look at that. Okay, so this would be normal. And you are going to set up your paper according to MLA format. You can find MLA guidelines in a writer's reference. As a matter of fact, there is a sample paper at the end of that section that I highly recommend you becoming familiar with. On page 465 of a writer's reference, you will see a sample paper, and you can look at the way it is set up. And this is how you should set up your papers. You're going to enter your name, and you guys will get really familiar with Jane and John Doe. My name, the class, and the date, with the day first, then the month, then the year. You'll hit enter just one time, and you'll center your title. Notice that you will capitalize all major words. One more thing that you need to do before you get too carried away on this paper is to insert page numbers. Go to the Insert tab and then to Page Number, and you're going to pick the top of the page, the one on the right. You will type in your last name and hit a space. Notice that this is a different font and size than what we have already set up, so go ahead and highlight this. Put Times New Roman and 12. And then your page numbers will regenerate for each new page. Alright, so back to the title. You'll hit enter just one time, reset it on the left margin, and you'll begin your introduction here. You will just tab once, and you'll continue typing. And when you get done with this paragraph, you'll hit enter once and then hit tab for your next paragraph. The page numbers will regenerate. And when you need a works cited page, you will go to the last page of your document, or a fresh page, I shall say. You will center works cited, hit enter once, get back on the left